Hey there! Running into the dreaded DoorDash white screen issue can be frustrating, especially when you're hungry or trying to make a delivery. In this guide, we're diving into how to fix the DoorDash white screen issue with a few simple strategies to help get your app back in action quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A frequent cause of app loading issues is a weak or unstable internet connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a strong mobile data signal. If you're on Wi-Fi, try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Alternatively, switch to mobile data and see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart the app. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the DoorDash app is all it takes to get rid of the white screen. On most devices, you can do this by accessing your recent apps or app switcher area, then swiping the DoorDash app away to close it completely. After doing so, reopen the app to see if the problem has been resolved. Step 3. Update the app. Running an outdated version of the DoorDash app could cause functionality issues, including the infamous white screen. Head to your device's App Store, either Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates for the DoorDash app. Install any updates and open the app again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Android. If you're using an Android device, app cache corruption could lead to problems like the white screen. To clear the cache, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, and tap on Storage. From there, you can clear the cache. If the problem continues, you might need to clear the app data as well, which will reset the app to its default setting. Note, you'll need to log in again after. Step 5. Reinstall the app. When all else fails, reinstalling the app can solve persistent issues by refreshing all associated files and settings. Uninstall the DoorDash app from your device, then go to your App Store to download and install it again. This will ensure that you have the latest version and a clean slate without any residual errors. Step 6. Check for device software updates. Occasionally, compatibility issues arise from outdated device software. Make sure to check for any software updates for your device by going to your device's settings, navigating to the System or Software Updates section, and installing any available updates. This can help ensure optimal app and device compatibility. Encountering a white screen on the DoorDash app can be annoying, but with these steps on how to fix the DoorDash white screen, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue efficiently. Start by ensuring a stable internet connection and managing app data through updates or reinstallations to get back on track. Remember, keeping both your apps and device software updated is key to minimizing technical hiccups. Whether you're ordering your favorite meal or delivering one, these solutions will help you get back to dashing in no time.